Want radiant, clear skin without filters? These foods nourish from within. Number 1. Tomatoes. They're rich in lycopene, which protects against sun damage. Chop them up fresh for salads, or whip them into a cool, tasty. Number 2. Carrots. Pack beta-carotene for a radiant glow. So crunch them raw, or roast them with herbs for a sweet, savory treat. Number 3. Avocados. Deliver vitamin E for dehydration. So spread them on toast, or mash them into creamy guacamole. Number 4. Walnuts. Offer omega-3 fatty acids to calm acne inflammation. So snack on them plain or toss them into your oatmeal. 5. Cucumbers. They're great for keeping your skin hydrated and elastic. Toss them into your infused water for a refreshing twist. You'll love it. You can totally toss them on top or layer them right into your sandwiches. Number 6. Papaya. Contains enzymes that exfoliate and brighten. So blend them into smoothies or enjoy them fresh with a squeeze of lime. Number 7. Spinach. Provides iron and folate to renew skin cells. Them with garlic for a tasty kick, or toss them into your green juices for a fresh boost. Number 8. Berries. Loaded with antioxidants that fight aging. So top your yogurt or freeze them for a refreshing snack. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are full of vitamin A to repair skin, so bake them into wedges or mash them with cinnamon. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that soothe irritation, so sip it warm or chill it for a detox iced tea. Like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.